We are going to take a look at a Logosol PH360 4-head planer molder with helical heads. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This Logosol PH360 4-head molder has top and bottom helical heads. It was used in a small shop to run short runs of hardwood flooring up to 14 inches wide. The top motor is 7.5 horsepower, the bottom is 5.5 horsepower, while the sides each have their own 4 horsepower motors. The width capacity while 4-sided molding is 14 inches with a max thickness of 5 inches, while the width can increase to over 16 inches with a 9-inch thickness capacity when 2-sided molding. The planer capacity is 20 inches by 9 inches.